Cat8 Ethernet cables ensure ultra-fast speeds, reduced latency, and stable connections for gaming, streaming, data centers, and high-bandwidth networking setups. My today's video is about top 5 best Cat8 Ethernet cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at U-Green Ethernet cable. A Cat8 Ethernet cable built for 40 gigabits per second data transfer and 2000 MHz bandwidth delivers exceptional performance for demanding networking tasks like competitive gaming, 4K per 8K streaming, cloud backups, and high-speed file transfers. The cable's F/FTP shielding with 4 individually foil-wrapped, twisted pairs significantly minimizes electromagnetic interference, noise, and crosstalk, ensuring consistently stable and ultra-fast connectivity even in environments with heavy electronic traffic. Its pure copper core combined with gold-plated RJ45 connectors further enhances signal integrity and long-distance performance. Durability is another standout feature, thanks to the premium cotton-braided exterior that resists wear and withstands more than 10,000 bends, making it ideal for long-term installations or demanding desk setups. Support for Power over Ethernet (PoE) on most lengths simplifies powering devices like IP cameras without extra adapters. With universal RJ45 compatibility and backward support for Cat7, Cat6, Cat6e, Cat5e, and Cat5 standards, this cable offers a future-proof networking solution. Now our second product is Billion Ethernet cable. This Cat8 Ethernet cable is engineered for demanding networking environments, especially outdoor and direct burial installations where reliability matters most. Its heavy-duty, double-shielded design with F/FTP construction effectively minimizes EMI and RFI interference, ensuring stable long-distance connectivity even in electrically noisy environments. Built with thicker 26 AWG oxygen-free copper conductors, it offers more stable and efficient data transmission than thinner cables, making it ideal for high-load networks, smart home systems, gaming setups, and data-intensive applications. Supporting up to 2000 MHz bandwidth and blazing fast 40 gigabits per second speeds, it handles latency-sensitive tasks like 4K per 8K streaming and competitive online gaming with ease. The weatherproof, UV-resistant PVC jacket allows safe outdoor deployment while resisting sunlight, moisture, corrosion, and extreme temperatures. Equipped with shielded RJ45 connectors, it provides broad compatibility with routers, switches, IP cameras, servers, gaming consoles, and smart TVs, while remaining fully backward compatible with Cat7, Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5 devices for versatile network upgrades. Our third product is Dacrown Ethernet cable. The Dacrown Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers exceptional networking performance with ultra-fast speeds and robust construction designed for modern high-bandwidth environments. Operating at an impressive 2000 MHz frequency, this Cat8 SFTP cable supports emerging 25 base T and 40 base T networks, making it a powerful solution for demanding applications such as data centers, high-speed LAN infrastructures, and latency-sensitive online gaming. Its precision-twisted, fully shielded design significantly reduces signal interference while ensuring consistent, high-quality data transmission without lag or interruptions. Built with gold-plated RJ45 connectors and a pure copper core, the cable maintains excellent signal integrity across various networking devices including servers, routers, gaming consoles, smart TVs, and PCs. The upgraded multi-layer structure, featuring aluminum foil shielding, woven mesh protection, and a durable PVC jacket, enhances durability and flexibility for heavy-duty use. Additionally, its weatherproof and UV-resistant design allows reliable indoor or outdoor deployment, making it a versatile, future-ready networking upgrade. Now number 4, Vobogu Ethernet cable. This Cat8 Ethernet cable stands out as a powerful networking solution designed for ultra-fast and stable connectivity in both home and enterprise environments. Supporting up to 2000 MHz bandwidth and blazing speeds of 40 gigabits per second, It ensures smooth performance for demanding tasks such as 4K per 8K streaming, competitive gaming, large file transfers, and high-speed internet usage. Built with thicker 26 AWG oxygen-free copper conductors and shielded twisted pairs, the cable significantly reduces signal interference while delivering more stable and faster data transmission compared with thinner 32 AWG alternatives. Its multi-layer shielding, including aluminum foil and woven mesh, enhances signal integrity, while the UV-resistant PVC outer jacket provides excellent durability. Designed for indoor and outdoor deployment, it can withstand direct sunlight, extreme cold, humidity, and even supports direct burial installations. With shielded RJ45 connectors and full backward compatibility with Cat7, Cat6, Cat6A, Cat5e, and Cat5 standards, it seamlessly connects routers, servers, gaming consoles, smart TVs, and other network devices for reliable high-performance networking. And our last choice is ORBRAM Ethernet cable. The ORBRAM Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers outstanding networking performance designed for users who demand ultra-fast and reliable connectivity. Supporting speeds up to 40 gigabits per second with an impressive 2000 megahertz bandwidth. This high-performance cable easily handles data-intensive tasks, such as cloud storage transfers, server applications, 4K streaming, and competitive online gaming without lag. Its S/FTP construction with 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs and 24K gold-plated RJ45 connectors provides excellent protection against crosstalk, noise, and electromagnetic interference, ensuring stable and accurate data transmission. The flat cable design adds a practical advantage by preventing tangles and allowing easy installation along walls, corners, or under carpet while keeping setups clean and organized. Built with a double braided nylon exterior, the cable offers exceptional durability and flexibility, surviving more than 10,000 bends without performance loss. With wide backward compatibility across Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a devices, it provides a versatile and future-ready networking upgrade. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.